The Pixpro C1 was designed as an entry-level point-and-shoot marketed for casual users who want a simple, colorful camera. It features a 16-megapixel sensor, 720p HD video recording, and a fixed lens. Its appeal lies in the nostalgic design and low price, often under $100, making it accessible for beginners or kids. On the positive side, it's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers decent snapshots in good lighting. The retro styling makes it a fun accessory, and for casual travel or family photos, it can do the job. But here's the catch: the C1 lacks advanced features, no optical zoom, limited low light performance, and basic video quality. Compared to modern smartphones, its image quality feels outdated. Many reviewers call it more of a novelty camera than a serious Kodak revival. The Kodak Pixpro C1 is a legit product, but it's more of a cheap gimmick than a retro gem. Great for fun, casual use, but don't expect professional results.